Hey everyone, welcome back. You've got a chat in ChatGPT you'd rather nobody saw, or your list has just turned into a mess and you want it cleaned out. I'll show you both ways, deleting one single conversation and then wiping every chat you've ever had. Open ChatGPT. The keyboard pops straight up, so tap the back arrow at the bottom of the screen to put it away. Then tap the menu icon in the top left corner, and there's your whole history, under Recents. The chat I'm getting rid of is right at the top, Weekend Beach Packing List. Now don't just tap it, that only opens it back up. Press and hold on the chat name for about a second, and a menu pops up with three options: pin, rename, and delete in red. Tap delete. ChatGPT asks you to confirm, and warns you this one can't be undone. Tap delete again. And watch the list. Weekend Beach Packing List is gone. Now if your list looks like mine, doing that one at a time would take all day. There's a much faster way. In that same menu, tap your profile picture in the bottom right to open your settings. Scroll down past General, Notifications and Voice, and tap Data Controls. Scroll right down to the Chat History section at the bottom. You'll see View Archive Chats, Archive Chat History, and the red one, Clear Chat History. Tap that. It warns you every chat will be cleared, and that this cannot be undone. Tap Clear Chat History to confirm. And there it is, successfully cleared chat history. Notice it also said your created memories are kept, so anything ChatGPT remembered about you is still there. Now let's go back and check. Tap the arrow in the top left twice, then open the menu. And Recents is completely empty. Every chat, gone. So, to delete one conversation, open the menu, press and hold the chat, tap delete, and confirm. To delete all of them at once, tap your profile picture, then Data Controls, then Clear Chat History. Your saved memories survive both. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.